Hello, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. What we got here today is a mouse. It's an Apple mouse that has no batteries. It's a rechargeable. This particular unit came in that it's not working. Basically, it's not charging. Looking it over, I can see that the plug does not go in all the way. Looking inside the hole, I'm going to show you with a microscope. Let's see here. We can see that, come on, I should get myself a microscope that has camera built in. Alright, looking at it, we can see inside that brown thing, that is a piece of dirt. So we're gonna need to basically clean out, make sure that the hole is cleaned out, and that should bring this unit back to life. I'm gonna put the phone in a tripod. Alright, let's use our dental pick tool to try and get that piece out. Looks like literally a piece of dirt. So something was probably on a table, got possibly stuck to the bottom of the mouse, and the person didn't notice. Plugged it in and a piece got in there. I do like the fact that the hole is fairly big, so it's relatively easy to clean. Let's see how this will fit. Alright, much better, deeper. Let's plug this into the charger. I don't see any lights. It would be nice if it was giving some kind of indication that it's charging or on. Apple, if you're listening, this is not good. I don't know if it's charging or not. At any rate, that was the only problem that I could see with this one. Now it's a matter of just waiting to see if it's going to take a charge, which it should. I don't see why not. If this helps somebody, so here's dirt pieces. From the hole. Give me a like if you get help. Enjoy and save money.